It is a well known fact that India is a land of diversity, and it is a proud moment for India that India is organizing the 46th session of UNESCO's World Heritage Committee. And today it was inaugurated, and it is going to continue till 31st July 2024 at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. 21st July 2024 at 7 p.m. It was inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister in the august presence of Subramaniam Jaisankar, Minister of External Affairs, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji, Minister of Culture and Tourism, Andre Ajouli, Director General UNESCO, and Rao Indrajit Singh, Minister of State, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, Ministry of Planning and Minister of State's Culture. And it's a proud moment for us because presently India had 42 heritage sites, and in present scenario, the world over, India is well recognized, especially after the successful uh, successfully organizing the G20 summit, where the world leaders participated, and their safety, security, and all types of arrangement, a world class arrangement was made by our government, and certainly the credit goes to the leaders. So, agenda of the 46th World Heritage Committee is the first is delegates from more than 150 countries they are participating, and decisions regarding new nominations on the World Heritage list, and a review of the state of conservation reports for 124 World Heritage sites, and review of the World Heritage Fund, and decisions on international assistance, more than 30 international sites, events, and exhibitions. Apart from this, many events are side by side is going to be organized, and which the very important thing which I come to know that India has brought successfully many statues and important ornaments which were the part of our heritage from different countries. Wherever our honorable prime minister had visited, he tried, it was in his agenda to talk on this issue of heritage, which was probably not raised, or if it has been raised, it had been raised but not prominently. So it is a very proud moment that India is organizing, and more report you can see in this clips also, which what Aham Bharatam is, what actually India had done. So lot of effort which I gone through, I was watching, and so I thought that I should present small clips on this, with that motive that the new generation should know what India was, and what India is, and what India will be if we respect our heritage, because strong future is built on a strong foundation of present, and if the generations are unaware of their heritage, their past, certainly they cannot, their present is cannot be bright, and if their present is not bright, certainly the future is in dark. So we should respect our heritage. It may be monumental heritage, it may be cultural heritage, it may be the living heritage which is reflected in sanskaras. So let us view these clips.
Cuisine, literature, and spiritual practices, it represents an enduring legacy that is celebrated worldwide. that continues to inspire and captivate the world. Now we present before you a short film on India's rich heritage titled Aham Bharatam, I am India.
Mother, I bow to thee. Rich with thy hurrying streams, bright with thy orchard gleams, cool with thy winds of delight, dark fields waving, mother of might, mother free. Glory of midnight dreams, over thy branches and lordly streams, clad in thy blossoming trees, mother, giver of ease, laughing low and sweet. Mother, I kiss thy feet. I kiss thy feet. I kiss thy feet. Speaker, sweet and low, Mother, to thee I bow. Mother, to thee I bow.
मणि कुमार SIP करने कॉफी सिप करता रह गया।
बट आई एम एन एसेट सर।
तू ऐसे नहीं सुनेगा।
ऐप से स्टॉक्स एंड म्यूचुअल फंड्स में SIP करो स्टार्टिंग विद ₹50।